Hi everyone, my name is Sinusa. As you all know, people are on the street, they cannot affordable something. So I jammed the woman here to pick some stuff. Hi, what's your name? Okay, that's good. So you have a great opportunity from our company to pick anything that you want in 1 minute. Anything that you pick inside here, I'm gonna pay for it. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Oh yeah, go.
I'm ready.
Omo. Ah. Pots. Wahala. Let's go. I'm checking the time. Let's go. Ah. Sorry. Let's go. 40 seconds. Let's go. 40 seconds. Let's go. Let's go. Time is going.
Asistencia da
Let's go. 30. Let's go. It's going. Your time is going. Guys. Time is going. 3, 2, 1. Time is going. It's okay, madam. It's okay. Pampers. Madam, Pampers. Gaba. Okay, congratulations to you. So I just want to tell you, it's a prank. No verse.